Welcome children to session 1 of addition of tens and ones. Let us recall the concept of tens and ones. So here on the screen there are certain number of pencils. So in the first group you can see that there are 10 pencils and there are 5 pencils in the second group. So here we have 10 pencils. You know that 10 pencils make 110. And the 5 loose pencils are 5 ones. So how many pencils are there in number, children? 15. Yes, 110, 5 ones make 15. Let's place the 10 pencils in a pencil holder. Can we have some more? Yes, there are 3 more pencil holders with 10 pencils in them. But look, there are 3 pencils that are not in the holder, they are lying outside. That means we have 40 pencils and 3 loose pencils. 40 in the pencil holder and 3 loose pencils. Let's place them in the tens and ones house. Since we have 4 tens, 4 pencil holders will go in the tens house, and we have 3 loose pencils, so they will go in the ones house. Which number is this? 4 tens, 3 ones? Yes, it's 43. Let us understand the concept of tens and ones through rectangular strips and square boxes. So here we have 4 rectangular strips. Each strip is equal to 110 and 110 is equal to 10 ones. So since we have 4 rectangular strips, that means 4 tens, which will be equal to 40. So the number shown by this rectangular strip is 40. Now we know that ones are represented by square boxes. So here, how many ones are there? 8 ones. And the number will be 8. Now we are going to add these two numbers. So the sign for addition is a plus sign. Now to add these two numbers, we are going to write these two numbers in this table, one below the other. We are going to arrange them vertically. Put a plus sign. 40 will write on top. 0 will come in the ones column and 4 will come in the tens column. And 8 will go in which column, children? Yes, in the ones column just below 0. So by addition, you know that we are going to add by forward counting, but this is a very big number. So there is another method of doing this by adding the digits in the ones and tens columns individually. Starting from the ones column, 0 plus 8 will be 8, and since there is no digit below 4 in the tens column, we are going to bring down the 4 as it is. So our answer is 48. Let us understand the addition of tens and ones by an example. Here is a sports shop. There are a certain number of tennis balls in the shop. Let us see how many are they in number. Here is 110, another 10, another 10 and another 10 of tennis balls. So we have 4 groups of 10 tennis balls. That means 4 tens is equal to 40. So we have 40 tennis balls. The manager decides to get in a few more stock of tennis balls. Let us count the number of tennis balls that are there on the screen. There are 8 tennis balls. Let us add the two numbers of the tennis balls to see how many total number of tennis balls are there in the store. Let us arrange the numbers in the table. Let's go. Now we can add the two numbers. In the ones column, we have 0 and 8. So we are going to add 0 plus 8 will be 8. And since there is no other digit below the 4 in the tens column, we are going to bring the 4 down as it is. So we get the answer as 48. So we can say there are 48 tennis balls in all. Here is a florist. This is her beautiful shop with beautiful flowers. She decides to make bouquets. Here are the bouquets which she has made. Each has 10 roses and we can see 5 bouquets. So if we add the number of roses in each bouquet, we find that there are 50 roses. She decides to add a few more roses to these bouquets. Let us count the number of roses. 6 roses. Let us add the two numbers of roses to see how many roses she has used to make these bouquets. Let's arrange the two numbers in the table. Let's add the two numbers starting from the ones place. 0 plus 6 will be 6. Coming to the tens column, we have only 5 in the tens column and there is no other digit below the 5 in the tens column. So we are going to bring the 5 down as it is. So our answer is there are 56 roses in all in the bouquet that the florist has made.